Well, day 24 at Overbury on the harvest log, and it's August the 24th. We're pushing on in some fabulous weather. We're sort of mid-20s already at the moment. It's just about lunchtime. This is a field of Zayat, which is a milling wheat variety. We've sort of grown it as feed wheat really up here on the hill because we're about 1,000 foot up. Usually the quality has sort of drifted away before we get up here for combining, but we'll see what happens this year. It's still looking pretty much intact actually, so we'll have to see how that goes. Grown really for its disease resistance, trying to reduce our chemical input into these fields. It's got a really good disease ratings, so it fits our system quite nicely. I've had a good couple of days. The block of spring barley, which is just down through here. This is Common Hills, all grown from Molston cores. That's all completed. That's safely tucked away in the shed, so we finished all the malting barley yesterday. That's a big relief. And then we're looking at about 130 hectares of wheat still up here on the hill to go over the next couple of 3 days. So we're getting it into a corner. The weather forecast is good till I think the beginning or middle of next week. So fingers crossed that rings true, and we'll be able to get this harvest wrapped up just after the bank holiday weekend.